Hi, my friends, it's Ian again. Thank you very, very much for helping with the YouTube channel. Um, a lot of people subscribed when I asked them to. You are truly good members. I can tell you that. I am so fortunate to have a lot of lovely members that G me on and keep me going. I just wanted to say thank you. That's all. Just thank you very much. And I'd like to thank all those as well that have joined just lately and upgraded. They've seen the value of Buildabizonline already. And I've got lots of positive comments back from people who have said things like, I wish I'd have seen this years ago. We've been around for 15 years and still lots of people don't know what we have. They really don't know what we have. They've joined programs. I shan't name them. They've joined programs that have copied Buildabizonline. But the trouble is, the ethos that they haven't copied. They really haven't copied that in the sense of they, as owners, want to make tons and tons of money themselves. They don't share. For instance, our highest membership, $14, and we pay $10 to them people when they sign up, somebody at that level as well. So to give away $10 of the 14, it's unheard of. The 70%. Now, one program that will remain nameless calls it 100%. Well, it's not 100%. Surely it's not 100%, is it? 100% of 14 is 14. And nobody could survive at that. Nobody. You would be paying out more than what you're bringing in, which is absolutely ludicrous. But we can cope making $4 to cover admin and hosting and everything else. So we are grateful. I am grateful. I say we, it's the royal we. And the wife, of course. She loves you all as well. But if you have not subscribed yet to the YouTube channel, please do. I'm trying to get up to the 1,000. That would be really, really good. That would be really good. Get up to 1,000. It's just an ambition of mine, but you can click on there and it'll take you to the training videos. The training videos are there as well. You got the autoresponder and the tool training just there. If you want to advertise, by the way, at Buildabizonline, on all the other pages, we show the banners, and also on Logout and various other places. We've got the text ads and the banner ads just there. Now, I'm going to offer a 2-for-1 again. So if you want to buy a banner for $4, okay, you can do that. And then add another one, but don't pay for that second one, and I'll honour both of them. So if I see one payment come in, say for Tom Smith, then I will, and I see Tom Smith again, I will pay. Or why not have a banner and also have the text free? It doesn't make no difference to me. Okay, so that'll be good if you can do that. Now, when you see this, can I just show you this quick question? We are here, text chat with Ian. That means I'm logged in to the live text chat. Okay, so we can text chat live. There's no cameras. You don't need to be shy. You don't need a microphone or speakers or anything like that. But if you want some one-to-one training, then we come up here and you can click on this link here. Sort it out with me first when you want me to meet up, and we'll meet up in this live Zoom training room. It's really a friendly atmosphere. It's really good. And I can teach you one-to-one. I don't mind. I really don't mind. Now, excuse me, I've got a frog in my throat. As I say down south of England. A frog in my throat. Now, when you come onto this page here and you click on the Pro Members page, now I've left these two just as they are. There's no little buttons for these, but I've left them as they are. If you're a Pro member at any level, okay, and you need a responder, then we've got one. Excuse me. We have got our own responder, and also it's unlimited, absolutely unlimited campaigns, unlimited subscribers, and that's a bonus to Pro members. Okay, so we've also got a bonus traffic blog there, a bonus surfing tool, and then we've got the splash builder. That's the basic one. Okay, 10 banner splash page, which is amazing. You got your tracker branding tool, email tracking, we do HTML editor, URL link checker. That's a good one. Okay, so if you're going to put your ads anywhere, click on here, subject it to the little checker, and it'll tell you whether it's going to pass, and it should pass. Email generator, so if you want to make some posh emails like the one I've just sent you, then you can do that. Okay, inline form generator, and that works well with our autoresponder. There's a two-step form generator. All the videos are on here. When you click on here, the videos will show. Okay, we've got a button maker, scarcity bar generator, video background generator for your splash pages and your capture pages, slideshow. Now, there's a lot of people, okay, they have got an autoresponder and they use these tools and put their form code from their campaign from other autoresponder programs. So there's no shame in that. You could use it for whatever you want. The slideshow background generator, the exit pop-up generator to catch people if they try to go away from your pages. And then we've got the ultimate splash and capture page generator. That is an amazing tool. I love that. And then the additional tools that we've found. Okay, so you've got everything you need. You've got tool after tool here at Buildabizonline. I've just had to clear my throat again. Oh dear, I must be coming down with something. But anyway, guys, thank you very, very much to all those that have just subscribed to the YouTube channel. That's over here. Just click on that button go back to that. Okay, so if you haven't done that yet, please do that. And also, this is what I want you to do. If you subscribe, I also want you to comment underneath each video, and I want you to add your programs page link. You've got my permission to do that, and I think that it should be good with YouTube. I can't see any problem with it. I cannot see any problem whatsoever. Okay, and also thank you for all those that have joined us just lately, and especially to those that have got faith in the system and been with me for years. It's amazing. And also those that have just come across Buildabizonline, or we've even had some people log in and having paid a lifetime membership, never used it, and said, Ian, I didn't realise what you'd got in here. Please take a look. Upgrade just for 1 month so that you can try all the tools. Every single affiliate marketer needs tools. Every single marketer needs tools. And that's why I solely promote just tools. That's all I promote. Buildabizonline. I make a full-time income promoting my links and signing up people that upgrade underneath me. I've only got 2 free members. Okay, so please don't quit. Carry on. We know that we're going to be inundated in January. People are going to be joining, people that left us before, trying to save a buck or two for Christmas and this, that, and the other, the festive season. They're going to be back. We have got people that have left us 2 or 3 times and come back again. And they admit we cannot get these tools that you've got at the price that we're doing it for. I am not in this to make a massive profit from people that upgrade. I'm not. I could tell you some sad stories, but I'm not going to tell you some sad stories. I'm not. We need to keep this upbeat, and we are on the increase. Just put it that way. Get yourself promoting Buildabizonline. People need these tools, and it's up to you to put the word out there and share them with people that you've become friends with. I said that to somebody the other day, and he signed up 2 people straight away. Now, it's up to you guys. I believe, and I still believe this, after 15 years, I've never got bored with this as I have with all the other things that I've ever done. I've tried to improve this day by day. I'm tweaking this and tweaking that and tweaking this and tweaking that, trying to make it faster so it loads faster, so it works quickly first time. And the hosting that we're with, it costs a fortune, I know, but you need good, solid hosting so that if you were promoting anything and you're paying for that promotion, you cannot afford for your promotions, your Buildabizonline links, the splash pages that you make to go down. Now, with other programs and other hosting companies I've been with, and I've been with 3 others, 4 others, rubbish. They promise 100% uptime. No way. I had to come back to the UK where you have to pay top dollar in the UK for hosting. And that is where the majority of your the profits from any kind of membership goes to the hosting. The hosting has got to be concrete. And incidentally, if you have got, let me just go to my programs page. Let me just go here. I'm just going to click on here and go to my programs page. Okay, this is what I've got on my programs page at the moment. Okay. Unlimited pro splash and capture pages, unlimited autoresponders with unlimited campaigns. And you've got the ability now to share codes with those, even in the splash pages. Even in the splash pages. I've heard that before with autoresponders, but not splash pages. If you've got a team or you've got a really good splash page, you can copy it over. You can create it, you can double it up, you can do whatever you want, clone it if you want to. You can get people to join underneath you, upgrade, and then you can give them codes, or you can provide it for your downline or your team members. And then you've got all these other tools, and also we can host your website as well. If you are upgraded at the $14 pro level, pro executive, we can host your website. Now, you've all heard of Stan the Big Dog. Okay? He hosts his sites on our server. He's happy as Larry, and that's good. And I have created a niche website, and you could do the same. Really, really simple. You can create, this is my camping, because that's my hobby. I do that. So I created a website and I've got affiliate links on there from Amazon. I can do it from eBay, but I prefer Amazon. And then these are my few traffic. This is where I promote all these links and get the best results. You will see that I don't swap around too many. And incidentally, when you're on your affiliate pages, we've got these share buttons down the bottom as well. So share them on Facebook. I've had quite a few Facebook likes from all the people that are friends with me on Facebook, and I've had people join, even people that just wanted to build a website. They want a website for their shop. I've built them for kebab shops in town. It's just amazing what you can do with the tools here at Buildabizonline. So there you go, my friends. Just wanted to say thank you very much for all that you do. For those that have got stickability, there's a lot of quitters in the world, and that's a shame. They just go from one shiny thing to another, and they're just tire kickers and just waste. We get it's a shame, but we do get a lot of free people coming in just to see if they can get anything for nothing, and then they sit and do nothing, which is a shame. But then we get those that look into it and see what we have got and see the value of Buildabizonline and do something about it. Thanks to all those. Thanks to all those that have got vision. So, my friends, bye-bye for now, and I'll see you in another video. So, bye.